The lying has to stop. All these people claiming to get Wrangler 392s and Ram TRXs under MSRP are just flat out liars. Again, I called every single dealer that was stated on forums and on YouTube comments to sell vehicles under MSRP, and none of them do.
Really now? We're liars? The TRX owners who gotten their trucks under MSRP were liars, and you've called all the dealers on the forums? I doubt that. So in this video, I call bullshit.
I admitted that I was wrong and that these deals are actually happening, and that there is a pathway to these deals. It doesn't sound like it's an easy pathway, but there is a pathway, and it is probably worth it, right? I mean, getting crazy amounts off of MSRP. Just I'm still, like, you guys can probably tell, like, I'm still just like so confused.
Oh, well, allow me to retort.
I'm gonna be nice to old Benji. I'm not gonna make you sit through the whole 10-15 minute video. I didn't watch the whole thing because frankly I gotta know it. But there's only one thing you gotta do if you want your TRX under MSRP. All you gotta do, go to the link in my description. Well, really, the link has been in the description of every single video I've ever posted on YouTube. Go down to the link, go on the Ram TRX forum, and surf around there, and we have plenty of dealers who will sell to you on MSRP. Now that video really got on my nerves because I have personally helped hundreds of people either get one of those deals or MSRP over the last, I say, year and a half. I mean, I'm not gonna be arrogant and say that I'm like one of the most well-known TRX people, but I would say I'm probably in the top 5 of most well-known TRX people, at least on the forums, on the Facebook group, and on YouTube, right? At least half the videos on my channel, I think about 55 videos on my channel are all about Ram TRX stuff. I don't think anyone else has posted 55 videos of Ram TRX stuff. I'm pretty much the only person who has probably posted videos on how to get the best deal on certain models, like the TRX. I've done it for the Trackhawk. I've even helped people get deals on the Durango Hellcat, get several $1,000s on it. I'm pretty qualified to say that I know where to go to get a deal at if you want your TRX under MSRP. Like I said, all you gotta do, go to the link in the description, join the Ram TRX forum, and that's it. All this nonsense been talking about, I called every dealer and all this back channel alley deals and backhanded deals, and you gotta buy 3 or 4 TRXs from them. Heck, Ben, don't you think that sometimes when people buy 2 or 3 of the same vehicle, they actually like it and they actually got a good deal on it, they actually afford 2 or 3 of the same vehicle? If you go to some of these other dealers in the Facebook group, they're at the 5, 10, 15, 20K, 80, even to death. Like, I mean, I saw just the other daggone day, I think yesterday, like, oh, well, the Sandblast edition is going to be available to order, whatever the sticker price is, plus 15K. I'm like, oh, God. That's why I don't like going on the Facebook group like that anymore, because that's all I see is all these ADM dealers, nonsense, blah, blah, blah. Cut all that noise out of your life. If you want you a good TRX deal, just come on the TRX forum. It's that simple. TRX forum is very beneficial, even if you don't, well, not don't, even if you already have a TRX, it's still a great place to be at, because any questions you have, one of us on there knows what to do. We've either experienced it, or we helped someone, or I've helped them. Anything you need to know, from the sway bar install, the certain wheels, the audio system upgrades, the fixing your daggone screen not working, the little clunk in your drive line where you drive off, all that stuff we have fixed, and it's on the forums. We got a whole extensive list of all the nonsense that TRX owners have been going through over the past year and a half. So you have like a big giant checklist. So when you go get your new TRX that you got on the MSRP, you got a nice little checklist to go through. So there's no reason not to join the TRX forum. I'm going to go ahead and say that, just in case you might say that, oh, well, you own the TRX forum, you make money off it. I have made $0 off the TRX forum. I don't even run the forum. I'm just a moderator on the forum. So I just moderate stuff people say. And I'm one of the top 3 posters on the forum. So I don't make no money from ad revenue. I don't make no money from none of the dealers on there giving me a little holdback or whatever. I don't make any money on merchandise sales. I don't make none of that crap. Only money I make off of people is for you watching this video. Other than that, I don't get no income from none of this stuff. I've helped hundreds of people. Hell, I helped people got better deals than I've done that I got from my TRX. So you might say I'm a little jealous, but hell, if I can help everybody else get a good deal, that makes me feel better. And that's why I said in the beginning of the video, I'm not gonna make you sit through 5, 10, 15 minutes of this nonsense. Go to the Ram TRX forum. It's like the best source of information that you can get. Heck, on the forum, we have the only detailed information for, like, let's see, if you want something like, if you want to know how many red TRXs were built in 2021, we have that list. How many TRXs got level 2 package? We have that list. How many red TRXs had the telematics package? We the only ones who have that kind of information. And Ram sure does not like that we have all the detailed information. We know about every single vehicle that rolls out of those plants. Heck, we leaked way more stuff than Ram has done over the last 2 years on the forum. I've leaked just myself Ignition Orange. Just in the past month, we leaked out the digital instrument cluster that's coming for 2023 models. We leaked out the Sandblast edition before it came out the other day. If you're not on the TRX forum, you're missing out on a lot of information because we normally get the information first. And then a lot of times I'll make a video on about it. Usually after we go discover it. But I don't make any money. I don't make any commission. I don't make no merch sales, none of that crap. Honestly, I've turned down thousands of dollars people that offer to give me for helping them out over the past 2 years. All I ask is just watch the videos because I don't want to take money from you if I'm helping you out. I'm helping you. I don't need money in return. And everything I'm talking about is just for the TRX. Let's say you want you a Redeye, a Hellcat, a Jailbreak. You want you a Wrangler 302 like old Benji says. Even if you can't get a deal like that on the TRX forum, there are other ways to get below MSRP. Did he even say anything about the Tread Lightly discount that pretty much a lot of people know about? Because if you go look at Tread Lightly, all you got to do is spend $100, wait 30 days, and you get your membership. Once you do that, you get 1% below factory invoice. So let me pull up the list of all the eligible vehicles for this year. Let's see, eligible vehicles. I'm gonna go and just name just the big ones. Let's see, Dodge brand, every version of the Durango, including SRT, every version of the Charger, including SRT, so Jailbreak, Challenger SRT, so we have all those Challenger SRT models. We're going Hellcat, Redeye Wildbody, Jailbreak, Superstock, all those you can get 1% on the factory invoice. Oh, let's go look at Jeep brand, Wagoneer, Grand Wagoneer, Wrangler, including the 4xe, so the 4xe, the 392, you get 1% below invoice. Grand Cherokee models, Grand Cherokee L's, including SRT Grand Cherokees. The only vehicle that you really cannot get with the Tread Lightly discount is a TRX. But we got you covered on the TRX forum by just coming on there, and you can find you dealers who will give you a nice deal on one. So that's why I'm saying I don't believe the nonsense that he was saying in that video. If you want to get you a deal on the TRX, there's no back alley channels to go through. There's no magical idea that you got to do. There's no, you got to buy 3-4 vehicles in order to qualify for it. You can either jump on the TRX forum, or you can use a Tread Lightly discount. There are ways to do so. Just saying. So I'm gonna wrap this video up. You know what to do now. There is really no excuse that you cannot get a TRX or really any vehicle at a good price, because if you use a Tread Lightly discount, just like I said, you just pay $100, wait 30 days to sell your membership stuff, and all you gotta do is just call around the dealers and see who's gonna offer, or not offer, but who is going to accept the Tread Lightly discount. A lot of dealers do. And let's say you want you a Wrangler, just go on the Wrangler forums and you can go on there and see what dealers on there will either honor the Tread Lightly deal or will just give you a better deal flat out. I mean, it's not rocket science here. If you want you a Hellcat for a good deal, you go on the Hellcat forum. You don't go on the Hellcat Facebook group. You don't go on the TRX Facebook group. You go in the forums, because the dealers there are more than likely the ones that will give you good deals. That's all I gotta say about it. If you in the market for TRX, hope you join the forum. I'm gonna go ahead and put my daggone screen name on the screen so you know who I am. So if Ben, you wanna reach out to me and get you another deal on the TRX, well, you already got your TRX and the Raptor, whatever. Everybody else, come holler at us. Until the next video, I'm helping people out.